Double-click LED Vision. Click Settings and select Software Settings. Then select iSeries Mode for mode settings. Input 168 to complete settings. Click Control and select Screen Control. Click LED Screen Setting and input the password 168. Select Screen Parameters. Here comes to Intelligent Setting Introduction. Follow LED Vision tips to select the screen actual status. Then click Intelligent Setting to enter Wizard 1. Select the correct LED display type. Generally select full color. Module information should according to actual module width. Click Select Chip Type. Here we default normal chip. Click Next to enter Wizard 2. Observe LED display showing test and select the correct display status. Click Next to enter Wizard 3. Observe LED display showing test and select the correct display status. Click Next to enter Wizard 4. Observe LED display showing test and select the correct display status. Click Next to enter Wizard 5. Observing the lightning rows, here input 16 while there was 16 rows lightning. Observing the lightning rows, here select 1 while there was only 1 lightning. Then click Next to enter Wizard 7. Observing the location of bright pixels in the module and then clicking on the corresponding lattices. Click Finish after all the 7 steps have been done. Click Save to Receiver so as to keep the revised parameter. Click Connection Parameter. You will see a receiving car information display in the mapping area. Fill in the information on the right according to actual screen status. Click the square button from the upper left to select all the receiver car, then set up selected car information. Select the first port and set up the connection line in the mapping area according to actual connection way. You can adjust the mouse to click the cabinet one by one. Or select the conventional connection button from the right side. The same method goes for other areas to complete all the connections. Click Save to Receiver to save the connection parameter to the receiver car. That is the end of intelligence setting.